Welcome to our channel, where we journey through the fascinating chapters of the Bible, unearthing ancient wisdom that still speaks today. Today, we dive into Ezekiel chapters 25 to 28, where judgment and hope stand side by side. Why should you care? Because what unfolds in these chapters is a testament to justice, pride, and restoration.
In chapter 25, God commands the prophet Ezekiel to deliver messages of judgment to Israel's neighbors, Ammon, Moab, Edom, and Philistia.
Each nation, rejoicing at Israel's downfall, is called out for its sins. For instance, Ammon is condemned for mocking Israel and faces destruction as a result. Here, we see God's unwavering standard of justice. Gloating over another's misfortune leads to one's own downfall. Moving to chapter 26, the focus shifts to Tyre, a city that prospered during Israel's hardship. Tyre's pride in its economic prowess and its lack of empathy bring about God's declaration of their downfall. I will bring many nations against you, Ezekiel 26:3. The lesson here? Arrogance and a cold heart sow the seeds of ruin. In chapter 27, Tyre is poetically described as a magnificent ship bound for disaster. Though adorned with riches, it's destined to sink due to its overconfidence and moral corruption. This vivid imagery warns us that material wealth without integrity is futile. Finally, chapter 28 delivers a powerful message to Tyre's ruler. He claims divinity in his heart, placing himself above God, which leads to his humbling. Though you are a man and not a god, you think you are as wise as a god. Ezekiel 28:2.
Its narrative shifts as God offers a glimpse of hope, a promise of restoration for Israel. Amid judgments, God's commitment to his people remains firm.
Ezekiel 25 to 28 offers a wake-up call about pride, justice, and redemption. It is a reminder that true wisdom and stability come from righteousness and humility, not from power or wealth. Can today's world learn from these ancient lessons? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful explorations of biblical wisdom.